Hello, good morning. My name is CJ Lumivo, and today we are going to continue the last part that we had, which is yung pointers and arrays. But right now, we are going to add something to the activity. So ito yung pagbabago. Write a menu-driven program that uses pointers and able to do the following. Enter numbers in an array, 10 elements. Enter numbers in another array, 10 elements. So of course, nagawa na natin yan sa past activities natin, or rather the past activity that we had, which is ito yon. Okay? Display sum and difference of each element of the two arrays. Display the elements of array A plus sum and average, and display the elements of array B. But we are also going to consider display also sum and averages for options C, D, and E, which is ito yung tatlong yon. Okay, so let's start. May pagbabago sa ating activity. So dito, mapapansin nyo, ito yung nagawa natin last time. Enter numbers in array A, array B, display sum of both arrays, and quit program. But we are going to add something more to it, okay? First things first, we are going to add our switch keys. Hold on, so let me just turn down music. Okay, so let's add our switch keys. So case, maybe like D. This maybe like let's add something this some ave. Maybe like change this to F. Okay, I'm going to add before the case F. Add something before the case F, which is numbers A, B, C, ARRA. Let's call in the void display number ARRA, display numbers, and break. Case D, display these numbers for A, ARRB. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, isang void lang yung ginagamit nila, right? Isang function lang. Just like for this one, the case C and case D only uses one function. Pero depende sa array. May pinapasa silang array, okay? Address ng array. Address ng first element ng array. ng array na yon, okay? Okay, so let's okay, so the break. And then let's add case E. Okay, I'm sorry. Colon and display comparison for ARRA, ARRB. Okay. Just going to add a comment here. Option C, display numbers for array A, and then another comment D, and then paste. Okay, I'm sorry, it wasn't supposed to go like that. Okay, the break one is here. E, comparison for ARA and array B. Okay, so that's it. Let's check again. Okay, so this one should be like display numbers. Okay, display comparison. Okay, so that's it na. And let's proceed to the menu. Okay, let's proceed with the menu. display the elements. Display the elements in array A, and just copy paste this one. D, display the elements in array B. And then just paste another, display the comparison. And let's add another EF for the F case. Display sum and average. I think that's it. Display or this comparison and display sum average. Okay, so we are going to copy paste this one together with our void. Okay, sum and ave, sum ave. Okay, enter numbers. This no void this comparison and void this comparison again, but we are going to change this to this numbers, and we are going to call in, or we are going to pass the first address of the or rather the first element and its address to the pointer element. And we are going to change this to int asterisk A and int asterisk B, which is the two pointers. So parehas lang dito. Okay, so I think that's it. We are good to go. We are just going to add meron na tayong display sum ave, right? So we already have this one and we already have this one, so we are just going to add void the other two voids. As usual, we are going to use the system CLS and the return to upper get ch. Okay. And this is the display numbers. Okay, so we are going to add our loop, or rather our index counter, and system we already have the system CLS. Printf elements of the array \n, and then we are going to add our loop for I is equals to 0, I is lesser than 10, which is in which we have 10 elements of the array starting from 0. And then printf %2d, which is we are just going to show our index, and %5d \n. Yung number dyan, spacer lang yan, spacing. Okay, I plus 1, and our element, which is our pointer. And then we are going to increment the pointer element. And next we are going to add in the display comparison. Just copy pasted that one and write in our system CLS our loop variable, because we are still going to use our loop. int I our sum, because we are going to compute for the sum, our difference, and our average. And just type in here printf element comparison \n printf. No, we already have this one, I think. Yes, we already have this one. We can just go like hold on a minute, guys. Yes, it's still the same. Display comparison. Display comparison, but I think this is already it, in which this is the sum and average. Yes. We can just go ahead and copy paste this one. I'm sorry, guys, we can just go ahead and copy paste this one. Yes, so that's it. We have copy pasted display sum ave and its codes, the block of codes inside the sum ave, to our display comparison. And right now we are just going to, where is that again? We are just going to add the difference in, again, the diff and average. And for our formula, we are just going to add the calculation for the difference, asterisk a minus asterisk b, pointer a minus pointer b. And then we are going to add here diff. So index, array A, array B, sum, and diff. So that's it for now. I guess we can just go ahead and check later for the average. See what we can do. And dito naman sa display sum and average, alisin natin lahat to, itong contents na to. And then we are just going to, again, change this to sum A. Okay, so int sum A is equals to 0, int sum B is equals to 0, int average A is 0, average B, declare everything with 0, int A sum B is equals to 0. So yung A sum B na yan yung parang, yan yung pinag-add yung dalawang array. Okay, yan yung pinag-add ng dalawang array. Int, tapos ito naman yung average. Yung total ng A and B and yung average ng A and B. Sum all is equals to 0. Int sum, or rather ave all is equals to 0. And for our for loop, for I is equals to 0, I is lesser than 10, 10, I plus plus. So sum A is equals to sum A plus A. So ito, yung kapag pinag-a-add lahat ng value or rather mga elements sa array na A. Okay? Dito makukuha yung total ng sum A ng array A. So same lang din sa sa array B. A sum B is equals to sum A plus sum B. Yung total ng sum A and yung total ng array B, papag-add yung dalawang yun, tapos ibibigay kay A sum B na variable. Then we are going to increment pointer A and pointer B, as well as our A sum B. Move to the next address. Move to the next address. Okay. Average A is equals to sum A divided by 10. So this is how we compute for average, okay? Ave B is equals to sum B divided by 10. Ave B is equals to sum A sum B divided by 10. So that is it for our for loop, and we are going to compute for the sum of all. Sum A plus sum B plus A sum B. Next, we are going to display the average of these three. Kukunin natin yung average nilang tatlo. So, ave of all numbers is equals to average A plus average B plus average of A and B, divide by 3. And next, since okay na yung formulas natin, we are just going to display everything. Printf %21s, maybe percent, or I think this is okay, %21s, and percent 8 or no 10s, and backslash n, I guess, and then sum average, and then maybe add another printf here, just a standalone printf. No, we can just add in this one. And then we are going to add our display variables. 16s %4d %10d backslash n. Array A, we are just going to display the sum of the array A, or rather the total of array A. So this is for the sum and this is for the average of the array A. Next, we are just going to copy paste this one and change this to B. And next, we are just going to paste another one and array A, change this to array A and array B. A and B. Okay? And the sum of both arrays. A sum B, average B. Okay? Let's add another -1 there. And then change this to sum all, and then average of all numbers. Change this to all functions. Okay. So I guess that's it. Let's check for errors, guys, okay? So we are checking for errors. Display comparison. Okay, again, I have checked for the errors, guys. So, ito pala. I'm sorry. We are going to remove this. Dapat parehas ito dito. Ito dapat ay parehas dito. And then, sa pinakababa, ito. Disp sum ave. Okay. Okay. So, let's try and run the program. So, this is it. Let's try pressing the A key. Yan. Add integers. Then, press any key to continue and let's press B. Kung mapapansin nyo, isang function lang yung ginagamit nila, guys, kasi we are using pointers. And this pointer that we are using, yung dalawang array na meron sa program natin, ginagamit nila ay isang pointer lang. So, let's press C. Ito yung elements ng ating array A. And let's press D. Ito naman yung elements ng ating array B. So, we are going to display the comparison. Okay, so, wala pa pala yung difference dito, guys. I'm sorry. So, punta tayo doon sa difference. Saan din? Whenever I press E, I guess, E. Okay, so, case E, saan si case E? Display comparison. Okay, I forgot to add %D here, %7D, and for our div. Oops, 7D again. A, B, sum, and div. O nga pala, guys, hindi na to kailangan. Yan. Okay, so let's try and run the program again. Okay, close that. Let's try to run the program again. Enter numbers in array A. Enter numbers in array B. Display the comparison. Okay, sorry. And display the comparison. No. Wag muna pala dyan. Dito muna tayo sa display the elements in array A. And let's display the elements in array B. Okay. I guess I pressed the wrong key. Okay, let's display the elements in array B. And display the comparison. So, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, ito yung difference nila. Ito na yung difference nila. Array A minus array B is the sum. So, minus lang. Subtraction. A minus B, yun yung formula. And let's check for sum and average. Okay, guys. So, yan yung sum and average natin. Sum of array A is 403, sum of array B is 811, average is 40, and average is 81. So, kapag pinag-add tong dalawang to, 403 plus 811 is 1,214. And ang average ng mga elements na yon ay 121. So, ito na kapag pinag-add lahat, ito yung total. And then, yung average nitong tatlo is 80. Okay. So, thank you for watching. This is your part 2 of the activity arrays and pointers. And yun, guys. God bless. And I hope you have experimented this code well enough. Okay. So, thank you.